Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Beards and Gears. And today, despite my hand being hurt, I'm going to do the best I can to work on the car. I'm just pretty much sick of waiting. So let's get started. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to be changing the oil filter housing, and maybe I'm going to try to put on the water pump pulley and thermostat and the thermostat housing.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me.
So here is the oil filter housing gasket. It's worn out. It's stiff. It's ripped. And justifiably, that's the reason why all this oil is leaking. This was pretty hard because of the fact that my wrist is killing me. If you guys didn't watch my last episode, I mentioned that I did fall off a ladder about 2 weeks ago, so I'm still recovering from that. But I'm sick of waiting, so I want to get this done, at least get it ready. So what I'm going to do is, I don't feel like carrying this right now. So this is the oil filter housing. Attached to it is the power steering pump. I have a brand new power steering pump. So while it's out, I'm going to disconnect I'm going to disassemble the power steering pump. I'm going to clean all this up. And yeah, I'm gonna put the new power steering pump on and just get it ready, slap it on so that I can throw on the chase base kit.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give
broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's hard for you.
Alright guys, so what I've done so far, just to recap for you guys, my hand is absolutely killing me right now, I will be honest, but I just don't want to wait anymore. If it's something I can just bear with, it's whatever. So I've cleaned up the oil filter housing. There's still oil and it got on my pants, which I didn't notice. There was oil in here still. I thought I got it all out, but that's fine. I've cleaned that up, replaced the power steering pump, put all the brackets back together. That bracket was a pain in the ass to get out because of the very fact that the bolts there was so much grease on there. There's so much grease on there that just caked up oil and gunk that the actual bolts were like stuck in there. So I ended up having to pull out the breaker bar, which I really don't want to do because it puts strain on my hand. My wrist is killing me right now, but I'm gonna get through this. Just stay tuned. Keep watching. Pretty much gonna be done. I know my hair is a mess right now. It's humid as heck out, but another 30 minutes I should be done with this whole thing.
Saw it coming, I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
Alright guys, I'm in a lot of pain right now, but I'm gonna power through this. So pretty much up next, aluminum. Let me take this out of the bottom. I got an aluminum thermostat housing, brand new gasket, water pump housing, and a Borg Warner thermostat. So yeah guys, this oil, not the oil, man. My brain's stuck up on oil. The water pump's been replaced. The oil, oh my god. All right, so the water pump has been replaced. The thermostat housing was removed and cleaned up. So I don't have to clean up everything. This is just gonna get slapped on. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in on another episode of the Beards&Gears. I just showered. I had to stop working on the car. I got as much done as possible today. The problem was my back started killing me and my hands started killing me as well. So I needed to stop. I'm probably not going to work on the car for another 2 weeks or so, or another week. But I got my Mishimoto fan in, which is a good thing. So, and with the relay and everything. So once the car is ready, once I'm ready, once my back stops hurting, should be able to get the rest of that together, unless I get some help on the car to get it ready and get it back together. But thanks for tuning in on another episode of Beards and Gears. I will see you guys soon. Take care. Stay safe.
Like a blazing flare, just stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.